Okay guys, last time on Lime with Ling, we cut, cleaned and seasoned chicken for this recipe. So if you don't know how to do that, you can go ahead and go over to that video to watch it. But on this video, we're gonna be currying chicken. So stay tuned. Guys, welcome back. As I told you, I have the 4-part curry chicken, dal puri, not dal puri. That one's for you, Couch Mom. Bust up short roti. So guys, this recipe is one that I hold very dear to my heart, and I can't wait to show you a little bit about it. Let's get started. My name is Chef Ling. I reside in Toronto, Canada, but home will always be Trinidad and Tobago. This has been a long time coming. I've only ever wanted to share my culture through my passion for food. I cannot wait for you to join me on this culinary adventure. Let me go! Start by peeling these potatoes. Hey guys, Chef Ling here. Welcome back. We're gonna start by going slow to show you that anyone can do it. Then I'm gonna go ahead and pick it up and use my finger to guide and my left hand completely out of the way of the blade. Okay, so we're gonna start by cubing this potatoes to curry, and we're gonna go ahead and start by cutting it along the center. Woo, got a little bad part in there, but don't worry, we're gonna cut that out. So join me over here, let me show you how I like to cube it. First things first, let's go ahead and cut around this black part. We're just gonna cut that out. This is crazy that I'm teaching you guys this. Honestly, it's been a blast because to have you guys follow along with these recipes has been super fun, and I appreciate you guys very much. This curry chicken roti is going to bring you to San Fernando. If you all don't know where San Fernando is, it's a place in Trinidad that is very known for very good curries in Trinidad and Tobago. And if you ever get a chance to go over there, go check out the food there, but that's south of Trinidad. Just cut it 3/4 inch by 3/4 inch thick. Don't cut it too much smaller than that because you don't want it to overcook and dissolve before everything else is done cooking. So we're just about done here. Let's go ahead and start. It's gonna smell it. Open your doors because it's gonna be very strong scent that will smell very good for a little while and then might get a little annoying. So open your doors, and another really cool trick is to add a little bit of water, vinegar, and a bit of vanilla extract. Those things boiling on a stove can kill odor in your house. Useless point number 1. I don't know, you tell me if it was useful or not. But let's go ahead, let's curry this chicken. Join me on this stove and we're gonna curry chicken, guys. I can't wait for the next episode. The bust up short roti to show you all how to make real fluffy, real flaky bust up short roti. It really is really cool. So if you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell, you'll know when that video comes out. But don't forget, 7 p.m. every single day starting today, as now it is 7 o'clock. But maybe if you see this video later, it won't be 7. I don't know. Who cares? Let's get going. Join me on the stove. Let's go. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with this curry chicken. If you're all the way along in this video, I appreciate you guys. Even if you don't, I still appreciate you. Either way, let's get going on this curry chicken. So let's start here. We have to put the fire on high, and we have to wait for it to get hot. Okay, let's do that, and when it gets hot, we'll start to cook. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is just tell you guys thank you so much, and also this is green seasoning. That's about a tablespoon of green seasoning inside the pan, and I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. Salt always intensifies the flavor right from the get-go, so let's do that. And then we're gonna add a tablespoon of curry powder, a half tablespoon of jeera, and a half tablespoon of garam masala. Also, thanks CM for telling everybody that cumin is also known as jeera powder. I appreciate you for that. So what I'm doing here is just browning the curry powder and the jeera. You want to make sure not to add any water at this time. You want to make sure to get the curries out and make sure all that seasoning and flavor can come out before adding water. We don't want to boil anything. We just want to give it a nice solid curry. Right here I'm adding just a pinch of paprika. If you add too much, your curry will turn out red instead of yellow, but it adds a lot of flavor. So don't add too much. Here is the potatoes we cubed from before, and I'm going to add a little bit of chickpea. You can use canned chickpea, but this is chickpea that I pressure cooked it from dry chickpea. If you want to watch a video on that, let me know. Here we go, add a little bit more water, and now we're going to curry the potato and chana, also known as chickpea, for about 2 minutes before we add the chicken. Here we go. This is the chicken that we seasoned from yesterday, and you can see, wow, look at how the seasonings really soaked into that meat. Crazy. I'm so thankful I have the opportunity to show you how to do this. This is my culture. I'm so happy that we have an opportunity to do this. There we go. Let's add the chicken in there, and we're gonna get it to start simmering. I'm gonna add a little bit more water, but the process of adding water is very important. You don't want to add too much at once, because if you do, you're going to end up boiling and not currying. So here we have bay leaf. Bay leaf is not a normal ingredient for a traditional Trinidadian style curry chicken, but I'm just gonna go. It adds a different layer that I really like. So if you don't want to do that, you don't have to. There we go, a little bit more water, a little bit of black pepper, and we're just about ready. Do the rest of the work. You want to work and show this thing most love, because what happens if you show it love? Love will come back. Okay guys, this is the part we all been waiting for. Thanks for staying tuned. Look at this curry chicken first of all. Wow, it smells great, it looks great, and just gonna let this thing simmer now. But in the meanwhile, question and answers. I remember I would never say something and not do it. So what we're doing now is I have a few questions. Somebody asked me, do I always have to clean my chicken? Well guys, I would say that I always clean my chicken. You should always clean your chicken. Just clean the chicken. You just add vinegar and use some water. Not hard, and you will get you'll just be happier with the product in the end, in my opinion. So the next thing is question 2. I can't remember the questions. I'll be back on that. Maybe on the next part of this segment after the curry chicken is done cooking. Definitely gonna read those questions too. Wow, this curry chicken's almost done. Let's leave a couple more question and answers for when we plate this curry chicken. And I'll see you guys when this is done in about 5 minutes. What a pleasure guys. Thank you very much for following me along on this curry chicken adventure. And now what we're going to do is make the bust up shot roti next episode. And actually on my 4th episode I said I was going to still do curry chicken, but I'm going to be probably making a soup. If you have any other suggestions for the 4th video, I am locked in and I'm going to do it. So subscribe so you can stay tuned for all of that fun stuff. And actually subscribe because it really helps. And what we're doing is we're finished here, but we have a couple more questions that I'm going to answer. Question number 2 was, what are some of my favorite meals? And my favorite meals, I really enjoy hamburger and french fries if I make it, because I really think that those things hold a lot of flavor if done properly. The next thing would be curry chicken roti. So these two
dishes are very important to me, so I really try to put all of my heart into it to make sure that you're gonna get the best result for you guys and for everybody that orders my food and people that are just trying my recipes. If you don't know who I am, my name is Chef Ling, and also known as Lime with Ling on Instagram. So I'm so happy to have met you, and this curry chicken is done. Let's go ahead and plate it, and I can't wait to see you next time on Lime with Ling. 7 p.m. tomorrow, I'll be live again, and every day at 7, I'm here just chatting with you. So if you want to talk to me personally, just come and chat with me live as in this video. Alright, cool. See you later, and next time on Lime with Ling. Okay, Saga Boy Nation, that's it for today. I'm gonna see you tomorrow, and I really appreciate you guys. Please subscribe. I appreciate you.